This shit's still on. It's making noise. We came from back there. And that building down there, we're still gonna check out. Whoa, the abandoned pool. That's the pool. Click. Wow, that is a lot of floors. Damn.
Do you actually want to go over there first and work our way back?
Sure.
Seems more sensible.
Yeah. Holy cow. It's starting to rain a little now. Is it filled? Wow, yeah, that's a couple feet. Oh, there's a clock right there. That's fucking sick. There's a lot of trash in there. Holy shit. Oh, there's froggies. There's a lot of froggies in here. Yeah. They're hiding. I love the chairs that are just sitting in there. It's weird. I feel like I'm about to see a fucking dead body tied to some cinder blocks down there. Wow, that's a whole bed. There are cinder blocks down there. Guess yeah, if you want to kill someone, you come here. What?
Spencer, an old one.
That's sick. What is all that? Wow.
That's cool.
Holy shit. That's wild. Damn. That's wild. A dishwasher and an oven. Shit looks ancient. There's like, what the fuck? Someone shaved here recently? Oh wow, this kitchen looks nice. What the fuck is all that? This kitchen's pretty pristine. Oh!
We can't go that way.
Yeah, we can.
If that falls, the whole building might collapse.
Yeah, that's why we run out the front door right now. Babe, you're sitting there standing. Come on, let's go. Holy shit. It popped. That's gonna like collapse today. Nevele Grand Resort 2021. Let us know if the shit collapses. Alright, we're just gonna try to get to the roof. Pretty neat room. We're trying to find a way to the roof, and I think it's the roof of this right here. I think. Let's see. Whoa, that should freak me out for a second. It's an abandoned barn. Oh, and the water tower. Wait a second. Yeah, it's right over there.
Water tower.
No, we can hop out on this roof and go up to the main roof.
Oh.
But it's just covered in water. Yeah. Let me just check. Oh yeah.
Which way?
There's baby seats. Whoa, that's weird. It's records from 97. 93 is this one? '91. How far back does this? 99. Yeah, that is the roof we were talking about. Back to the piano hallway. So as we were on that roof, we saw a maintenance worker driving with some kind of like giant, or maybe like a tiny bulldozer. And so there are two dudes just coming around on this completely abandoned resort, probably doing maintenance. I don't know. But we were on a roof, and the only way down was the stairwell, which they were in clear line of sight of, so. We're just on a big ass open road. Found a little newt friend.
I almost stomped on him. Good thing I saw him. He's bright orange.
This hill's motherfucking steep.